Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain you the concept of workflow in Systeme.io. Let's start now. What is workflow automation? Workflow automation refers to the use of software to complete some tasks and activities without the need for human input. It's a tool for making work faster, easier, and more consistent. By automating workflows, companies reduce the need for manual work and repetitive tasks. Here you can create new workflow. Tags are also important, and without tags we can't identify our audience on the basis of their operations. Tags are very useful because they allow you to better identify your different contacts and categorize them according to their origin and status, contacts, customers, or students. So here you can create tag now. You can also automate the rule in Systeme.io. Now workflow and tags both are defined. So it's time to define our workflow sequences. Stay tuned and just follow my step-by-step process. Here is our first action, and if someone subscribed to our funnel or lead magnet, then welcome mail should be sent to their inbox. Always prepare with your set of email sequences in Word file before creating any workflow inside the Systeme.io. In this way you decide the workflow roadmap and time interval for sending emails. I hope you liked this video. Feel free to ask any questions through comment box, and I do request to all of you. Here lots of people like to watch my informational videos, but I don't understand why they don't subscribe to my channel. Please show your support by just subscribing to my YouTube channel here itself. It will motivate me, and I will create more informational videos on my channel. Thank you so much.